Yeah, I just baddest bitches to the baddest. Baddest money on the dial. I say, I don't need no Molly to be savage. When I'm on that Molly, I feel savage. She the definition of a bad bitch, stole her. I'm the definition of a bandit. I don't need no Molly to be savage. But when I'm on the Molly, I feel savage. My girl, the definition of a bad bitch, stole her heart. I'm the definition.